The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everybody, this is Jack and on the back is Brian. The first hour will be a training from me, the second hour from Brian, and the third hour again for me. So I hope you enjoyed yesterday training. It's actually the replay is in the Facebook group. So if you haven't had a chance to come today on the training, of yesterday on the training, you can watch the replay there. And this training, if everything goes as planned, will be inside the members area of Instant Reply. So kind of what you guys had some questions about yesterday, so we can kind of get prepared to address them today. So if you have certain topics you want us to focus on, then no, I'm not. Jill is saying, "Hey Jack, giving you all surprise out." No, it's not my style. So it's not my style. I can do, but it's not what I typically do. So if you really want to have something from me, then get the credit card. Yes, that is kind of the training. So yeah, now I haven't prepared prizes. I have actually I have a pretty nice gift for you. So that is kind of the biggest prize you probably will get today, maybe this week. Okay? You should have received, or you will receive today, an email from me. Okay? And that email is about a software product. A software product you probably don't have yet, but it's very powerful. Actually, that software program, we work now about 10 years on it. And it's always coming better and better and better. And
Muted. Unmuted.
we added Groupon to it. Okay, so why did we add Groupon to it? Because you guys have now access to, or should you see my screen? Yeah, would not be a bad thing if you see my screen. Sorry for that. So, um, so thanks for that. Now I'm have to get back in my mode. So uh, you have access to the online store, correct? So kind of, I will kind of go over the online store in an overview thing, but you should have no problem to set up the online store. Now, what is next step? You know, is getting clients, correct? For it. Now, that is where we will start off today. How to get clients for your online store. Now, the thing I hear on a regular basis, Jack, um, which products should we upload to the online store? We're struggling with that questions, correct? We're struggling. Hey, Jack, yeah, nice officer, but which product should we use? Now, we talked about that. We talked about hitting the nail with two hammers. One is product, which product, okay, which product, and two is which client, okay. Now, the hottest leads are companies, businesses who already have a product or a service selling online, but don't have their own online store, correct? Make sense? So, and I probably said it already 3 times. Those are the Groupon companies, correct? They pay 50%. They pay 50% to Groupon, and that is not only the worst thing. They need to discount the product also with 50%. So basically, they only receive 25% of the normal rate. Now, there's no company at the moment who makes money with Groupon. That's not a cash generator. Huh? Makes sense? So they are dying to hear from you, okay? They want the online store, okay? Groupon makes money with Groupon, yeah, correct. Now, you guys probably have heard about Groupon, but let me go over this Groupon.com, huh? Everybody knows this, but let's do just any product, okay? Have a product, okay, have some images, okay, an explanation, and the checkout part. So how much time do you think it would take you to upload an image, to put a price in it, put a description inside your online store? 2 minutes per product, correct? You just learned that yesterday, correct? 2 minutes per product. You need to put a product from a company in their own online store, correct? Agree? So when you go to the gateway, you go to store, okay? Okay, you log in. First you order the domain name, you log in, okay? Products, add product, product name, what is the product, what do they sell here? Oil change. Oil change, what is the regular price? 44.99. 9, and the discounted price is 20. You don't need to do that, okay? But let's do the same. Shipping costs is there's no shipping, okay? There's no recurring, there's no return, okay? And then, okay, and save it now. Okay, now I need an image, so I'm not uploading the image, but if I go to the front end, okay, let's see on the front end. Okay, one second, I need to take off that part of the URL. Okay, let's see all products. Let's go here. SEO. Okay, all oil change. Okay, add SEO information. Okay, specifications. I don't know. Are there any specifications? I don't know. It's optional. Details optional. Related items optional. Okay. Now refresh. Let's see. I need an image probably. Okay, I will download an image here. You can ask the image. Okay, I need an image. Don't want to use that image. All change. Image. Save image as. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. save. I'm need another screen. Image. Now I have to open. I'm working on it. Drag it, add image. Okay. Image, specifications, details, don't need that. Related items, don't need that. Figure out scratch. Okay. Save. I know why the product is not showing. Check for updates. Okay, I refreshed it. Products. Oh, here. You see? Now it's showing $44.99. Okay, took 5 minutes. Okay, add to cart, buy now. Good. Now, now the question is how to collect those businesses who are listed on Groupon, correct? And for that, are there any copy? You know, you want to ask the images from and the description from the company. You don't want to copy paste from Groupon, so you're going to ask that information from the companies, okay? And whatever they provide, it's from them. It's not from Groupon. But it's free for you to prospect those businesses, correct? You don't prospect Groupon, you prospect those businesses to help them with their selling their products online. Now, my gift to you today is this software. It's called Lead Finder Jack. Guys, see this? Lead Finder Jack. And when you open it, install it, okay, it is a desktop, Windows desktop application. Sorry for that. If you have a Mac, sorry. Okay. So you have to find a Windows computer for that. Then you go to search and go to Groupon. Guys, see Groupon search? And let's say I want to create a new campaign. And you select the state. Okay. You select a city. You know, you can do multiple cities. Okay. Let's say you can say check cities. Okay. You can select cities above a certain population. Okay. So let's say you want only do certain cities. Okay. But let's do Boca in this case, because I don't want that the whole day is running. It is not fast. Select city. Okay, and then you see all the niches. All the niches, you see this? Which Groupon shows, okay? So they are the same niches. So let's say automotive, and then I get companies. And then it takes a while to collect those businesses. It really takes a while. It's not fast, okay? It takes a while, but it goes faster over time. But it's not really click, 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 click. It takes probably, when everything is working, 1 minute per business, something like that. But you cannot find the email and everything in 1 minute by yourself. You just cannot. And it doesn't hurt you, correct? Doesn't hurt you, okay? So how do we get access to Lead Finder Jack? As we speak now, I'm sending your guys emails, okay? So in 3 hours from now, I can see in the background is running. I will ask you to check your email. It's I can see it on my end. It's half of your guys have received the email, half not. But in half hour from now, probably in a half hour from now, probably you have received an email. And then you download the software and then you have to install it, okay? Now, this is not online yet, okay? That's not online yet, okay? You have to do the Windows desktop version. Sorry for that, but it doesn't work online yet. But that's my gift. So I kind of had a gift. Huh? As long as you are an active instant reply user, as long as you are an active instant reply user, you don't pay for it. Okay? So as long as you're an active instant reply user, there's no fee for the Lead Finder Jack. Make sense? So that's a big gift. We'll see what Brian has for you today. But I think my gift was big. So, so this is how it works. Where can we get it? You get an email from me within a half hour. Get an email from me within a half hour. That email has a download link. Okay, has a download link, and then you have to install it on your Windows computer. Okay, you have to accept certain things and install certain things. It is a big program. Okay. Yeah, so once it is ready, okay, you go to search, you select Groupon, okay, you create a new campaign, you select a state, okay, then you select a certain city, but if you don't mind, let's say I select all cities above 50,000, okay, now there are 69 cities in Florida. There are 69 cities in Florida which are bigger than 50,000. They select and then you go next niche. Now you can select one niche, you can select all niches. If you do all niches, okay, it will run a couple of days, okay? It will run, it takes time, but then you have more, correct? So if you select one city and one niche, it's faster. Makes sense? But if you say, I don't mind if it runs a couple of days, okay, then then select all niches and select all states, all cities above 50,000 or so. Make sense? You don't need to use any proxies, Gil. You don't need any proxies. Gil is technical. He knows how valuable it is. This is unlike anything else you have experienced with any other software. It doesn't exist. Okay, I guarantee this doesn't exist in any other software. Okay. Now, once it is collected, okay, so just collect it and do the dig deep. You go to campaigns and you select the campaign you created, okay. Then you go to export. You guys see this export? You go campaign, you see the export. Okay, guys, see this? Inside Lead Finder Jack, you go to campaigns, and then you see the export button. Export. Click on export, and then you select instant reply. Yes, it is customized for you. You select instant reply, and then you click on OK. Okay, then you select the company. Now, for the first time, it's going to ask the username and password how you log in. The first time it's showing an other screen. It's showing the username and password. Next time it remembers it. Okay. So now you select the company. If you have 10 companies, it will show all the companies. Okay. So select the company where you want to use. Okay. And then it shows all the list. All the list you have inside instant reply. Okay. Let's say you can select an existing list, or you can select demo, okay, or you can create and you can enter the list name, and then the list get created. Make sense? Click OK. Okay, and then the list is uploaded. Okay, so you don't need to be technical. Okay, it just, you need to know how it works, but you don't need to be technical. Okay, you don't need to download the CSV file, upload the CSV file, and all those things. Okay, then the list will get automatically uploaded to Instant Reply. So let me put the steps together. Okay, first time you select, okay, where you go to search screen. Okay, then select state, select city or multiple. You can only select one state at a time. Okay, yeah, it works in Canada, but I'm not sure if Canada has Groupon. I don't know. Does it? No, it has not. Okay, yeah, I haven't tried it out. Let's see. Then 3 is select city or multiple. Yeah, it's a good question. Oh yeah, big time. I love it. Select niche or multiple. Okay, then 4, run. Now, it is not fast. Okay, I cannot, it's not fast. Sorry for that. But you just run the computer, okay? It doesn't take, you don't need to be awake for it. Just let it run at night. Make sense? Then run a dig deep. Now, what does a dig deep do? Basically, it finds all business information. Like the email. Okay, then you go to the campaign screen. Okay, you click on export, you select instant reply. Okay, it's going to ask the login information, so it needs your account. It is one time, it will remember you for the next time. Then it's going to ask the company. Then it's going to ask existing list or enter new list. And I think click on OK. And now the list is uploaded to, you guys see this? You guys see my text file? I hope I don't do that for myself. Okay. You have 2 E's twice. I don't know where is that. One time run and dig deep. Select state, select city. Run, it is not fast. Run and dig deep finds all the business information like the email, campaign export, instant reply, login information, company. Okay, somewhere I have a spelling error. You see my social security number, Jack? Is that a joke? Yeah. Um, so let me put this in the chat. Okay, so this is step plan 3. Oh, I have 3 numbers 3s. Oh, now I see what I what I have. Thank you. Okay. Who thinks can do this? enter yes or no if you can follow those steps. Now it needs to get installed, and it needs, do you accept this? And maybe you need to, because it's communicate with our server and it communicate with instant reply. You need to kind of say to the virus scanner, hey, I trust it. This is a trusted software. Makes sense? So your virus scanner may say, hey, you want to communicate with other software like instant reply. You need to allow that, correct? Makes sense? I don't want to see support tickets. Hey Jack, I was not able to install it because my virus screener said a block. Yes, you need to allow it, okay? It's I put my hand in the fire. There's no virus in it, okay? Make sense? Now, what I wanted to say, I have one more surprise to you. Okay, one more surprise. Gil wanted to have a lot of gifts today. So, what is the next hottest niche besides Groupon? Who's the next big company besides Groupon who also does coupons? Who also does coupons? Yeah, I see. 3 of you guys have it. Yeah, Valpak, correct? So we not only implemented Groupon, but we also implemented Valpak. It works almost on the same way. They have a couple of other niches, okay? And Valpak might be even a better niche because they have a product. They use the paper version, correct? They use the paper version, okay? But they are not online, so you can help them putting their paper offer online, correct? Makes sense? So it works about the same. They have other niches, but everything else is the same. So you create a campaign, okay, and then Florida. Then I don't. You can do check cities. Let's say above 55 or 60. Then I don't do that here. So otherwise it will take an age. So okay, I select my city. Next, and then it downloads all the niches from Valpak. Okay, makes sense. And then download all, and it takes some time. Okay, and then download all those niches. Okay, guys, see this live. Okay, see, getting all the niches information from. I don't remember seeing it before. No, it's new, Derek. This is new. It is even if this is your instant reply member see this for the first. Okay, I do Dirk, I do Tuesday training. I have a new launch for it. Okay, but this fits with the online store so much. Okay, so then it shows automotive, entertainment, general health, personal. Those are the niches Valpak carries. Okay, you select one. Okay, you can select all the niches. Okay, and then get companies. And now it looks live. It looks live on the Valpak website. Okay, it's looking now on the Valpak website for this company. It's live. It's really live. It's instant. If there are no businesses from the niche I selected, it will show 0. But if there are companies advertising, okay, for Valpak, it will find them. Make sense? It's not fast, but it goes fast, okay? Over time, it goes faster. Okay. So take some time. Now, I don't think select state, select city, say run. It's all. I think the same steps is for Groupon. I don't think there's any difference any than for Groupon and for Valpak. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, Money Mailer. We didn't find many businesses. We checked Money Mailer, but they are not that big. Okay, Money Mailer are not that big. So you have, let's say, let's start from the beginning. Okay, so I will demo later in this hour or in the last hour. I will demo how to set up an online store. Correct? Now, it's not hard to upload a product, but you need clients. Okay, what are the hot clients? Those are the clients who use Groupon on Valpak. Now we have a software where Lead Finder Jack who can collect those companies. You can export those companies inside Instant Reply, and you can run a campaign for that. Okay. Dirk said, just got my email for the Lead Finder Jack. Yes, it's still sending. Okay. Probably all of you guys in an hour or so. Make sense? I don't even have Valpak where I am. I don't know. Did you log out? Okay, you installed Cat, you installed Lead Finder Jack? Did you install Lead Finder Jack? Okay, yeah, then you don't have Valpak anyway. But it might be after installation and after the email address, you need to restart Lead Finder Jack because it needs to check your license. Okay, paying attention to me. Yeah, thanks, Cat. I love it. So uh, after dig deep, okay? No, sorry. After search, it does a dig deep, and it find the email addresses, find the phone numbers, find all kind of information. Okay, make sense? Now it's not a fast process. Don't send me an email, Jack. It's not fast. Yeah, Jack knows it's not fast, but it is good. Okay. Either you use Lead Finder Jack or you hire 1,000 VAs. Okay, it's as fast as 1,000 VAs. Okay, it only costs you lesser. Okay. Okay, it's not fast, but it is good. It serves all over the internet. I always say if the company has left an email address on the internet, Lead Finder Jack will find it. Okay. You can also download Manta. It looks at Manta for if it finds information. You see a Manta? I don't know if you see this. You see this Manta? AngelList, Google Place, Google Core, Yellow Page, Yellow Book. It looks all kind of information if it finds something. Okay, but there are some tweakings that you can say, hey, do a now search only on the domain, but it can search on all the business directories. It takes long. Okay, if you want to find that email address also in other places, then okay, when you click on search settings, you guys see search settings. I cannot click. Can I click on it? Oh yeah, I can click on it. Okay, then say I want to do ultimate. Okay, ultimate. You guys see ultimate? If you click on ultimate, it will do everything. Huh? to Manta, huh? Okay. Okay, now it is ultimate. Now it searches in all those places. Okay, see this? It takes 10 times longer, but now it searches also in Manta. Okay. If you only say I want only the fast, okay, I do the 80-20% rule. You'll find the email on this way. If you say I don't care how long it takes, I want the ultimate, okay, you select the ultimate, and now it searches everywhere, okay, but don't complain that it takes a long time, but it searches everywhere, okay. So if you select ultimate, if there's an email left online, it will find it. So Dirk said, I don't see Vault by Groupon, so maybe you have to log out Lead Finder Jack and start again after the first installation, okay? Now, you don't have that on the cloud. It's on the desktop. It's only available on the desktop. You see how slow this now is because I set ultimate, okay? Now, the desktop version will never become on the Mac. We don't do that. For that, we have the cloud version. In a couple of months or so, it will also be in the cloud, but not for now. Will Lead Finder Jack work behind the VPN? As long as the VPN, yeah, it will work on the VPN, but don't email from the VPN because they probably don't allow that. But you can do the search on the VPN. Is this feature with instant reply? You can export the list to instant reply. Make sense? Francis, you use as license email address your instant reply email address, and then this will get added to your account end of the day. You know, maybe not now, but end of the day. We are working on it. We are sending this out now. What email address is going to give you the local franchise owner? So the ultimate will give you all the deals. If it doesn't, it's not that easy to find the business owner name. Sometimes Angie list the owner name, then it will find it. But most business directors don't show the business owner name. If Manta also shows the business owner name, it will find it too. Yeah, there are all kind of features in Lead Finder Jack. I don't want to go over. It has 20 options. Okay, I don't want to go over all those options, but it has a lot. Okay, it has a lot, much more than you can imagine. But I don't want to go over it because I want you to concentrate on Valpak and Groupon today. Does the export instant reply separate the listing by niche or one big list? It's one list. You select the list and then it adds all those contacts. Make sense? Kind of wanted to finish this, but this not do the fast. Otherwise it takes too long. It takes time, correct? So let's stop it. But now we have 21 companies. 21 companies, I can stop it. Okay. I go to campaigns. Okay, select the campaign I just did. Click on export. Okay. Select instant reply. And click on OK. it asks for the company. Okay. Now, if I do an existing list, it's going to ask, do you want to append? That means, if it has 10 and you export 20, it has 10 plus 20 will 30 leads, or do you want to override it? Okay. So if you want to append, click yes. Okay. And now phone is appended successfully. Make sense? So are we clear how to collect the leads and put them in instant reply? There's not much to it, okay? It's not really much to it. It just follow those steps. Now, there are tons of features in Lead Finance Jack, much more than you can dream of, okay? But you don't need to know it for today, okay? For today, you need to go to search, okay? You either select Groupon or Valpak, and now I kind of want to see, I want to go back. I want to do refresh. I think at the moment it's only United States. I will check for Canada, okay? How that works, okay? Make sense? This is the training, Gordon. This is the training you get. Okay, this is brand new. It's released today. Okay, it's really released today. Okay, and United Kingdom. Okay, we will work on it. I promise. I don't have a time for it, but I will work on it. Okay. Now, once you collect the leads, you put them in. You put them in instant reply. Okay, and will show up as a list. Okay. And you go to list and whatever. I did Groupon. Which name did I give it? Do you remember? Demo Jack? Was that Demo Jack? What did I do? Which name did I give? I forgot. Maybe I can select on create it. Demo. You see it? Demo? Okay. It was only one lead. Okay, you click on it. Okay, and then okay, it's the email. Okay, basically it's the email, address, okay, and the company name. You guys see this? So, and then it's select the list. Now you can go to the standard thing, okay, and create a campaign. We went over 10 times, and maybe Brian, you can ask Brian to create a separate campaign for it or whatever, okay? Now, back to the store. Yesterday, so enter yes or no if you are able to log in the gateway. And everybody should see store now. Okay, tell me, Gordon, are you not able to log in? Okay, everybody able to log in? Okay, Gordon sent a support ticket or whatever. Okay, you should see store within the gateway. Okay, okay. Now, then you see store, and then you order the domain name. Enter yes or no if you have already ordered the domain name. Okay. Enter yes or no if you have ordered. Half of you guys have it, so that's good. Now, have you experienced that after you order the domain name, after the propagation, the store got installed? Okay. So basically, you will see one line item with your domain name. And I click on the plus sign, and then you can log in. Correct? That's all what it is. There's no okay, except that you can time out, but there's no technical difficulty in it. Okay. I have a log in WP, not for WP Gateway. For WP Gateway, go to WP Gateway. Okay, WPGateway.com, and then you say, I don't have a password yet. No, it's not a password, it's a account. I don't have an yes or no. Sorry, that is what you need. Yes or no. Okay. If you don't have the store, send a support ticket. Okay. Some old accounts, whatever, they didn't have that. We will add it to you. Okay. Now, then you go to store, and then you order the domain name, or you can link another domain name if you bought the domain name somewhere else. It will show up here. It will propagate. You can add the SSL to it. Okay. And then you can click on login. Makes sense? Then you see the login, and if you number of products. Now there is a start page, Jill. There's a start page, and I guarantee those are very good PDFs. I don't know if you had time to look at it, but they are really high quality PDFs. Okay, they have every step. They have very laid out well. Okay, and those are up to date. Okay, they are just made this past week. Okay, make sense? So there's no thing that just click. You have to follow download the dashboard, sign up. Everything is laid out. Now basically it's just add products. You click on add products, just what I did before with the oil product. Okay. Yeah, Arlene did it. Yes, Kat. Arlene did those. Yes, I didn't do that. Arlene did it. Hate reading PDFs. Yeah. Now, Woody, I'm kind of like you, but if you have questions about how things work, I cannot be on your desk all the time. Okay, that's where we have the PDF for. Okay. Now, doing a quick start is getting started. Okay. Now, under if you have clients and or if you have a VA, you can click on sub users. Okay. Add a sub user. You get first name and last and email, and you determine where they have access to. Yes, you can grant your client access. Okay, via sub users. Make sense? And you have to. The biggest thing is payment gateway. I think the difficult thing is just payment gateway. So the client has to link Stripe or the PayPal account to the gateway. Okay, that is that is per domain. Yes. So each client has their own store. So you can give a client the sub-user access. Yeah. Can they have access to training? No, we need to add it. I saw that the start page is not one of the settings, so we have to add start to this. Add products, yes. So products, you have read access, and you can also have write access. So they can see it and they can have change it. Okay, or if you uncheck it, they cannot see it and they cannot change it. But you probably want to give it bold. Huh? Okay. Yeah, the start page will be added this week. It's just another setting here. It's nothing difficult. Make sense? Any question about the store? If using catalog, can you limit or allow the customer to only one product? No, not amount of products. But what you can do is not amount, but you can do say don't add products. Okay, don't do wide. They can only read. That's how it at the moment works. How much for additional domain? So I think that is how it works. Economy, business, and agency level, correct? You have one store for free, three stores for free. Agency level is 100 stores for free. Extra is $27 per month. Okay, so we saw you mentioned, Gil, I missed your question. One second, let me scroll it up. Okay, no reaction related to products. We saw you mentioned that categories is optional. How do we handle vibes like okay, color, that's fine. Color has nothing to do with categories. So let's say first is, before I got those questions in the past quite a bit from my clients. Jack, can you set my online store? And I tried other applications and I got frustrated because it took me a week to get something done and still not my like. Now I found out I don't need, for my clients, I don't need catalog. Catalog is when you do sorry, a couple of hundred products, correct? Now, so if you only have a few products, you can hide catalog. If you have multiple products, you add catalog, and now you see catalog here in the top menu, and now products are, you have to link to catalogs. Okay, and I don't use it normally because I keep it simple for myself. Now in products you have all kind of settings. You go to the pencil, okay, and then go to specifications. You can have height, optional, color, so the normal specification, okay. But you can also add details, okay, and then you can add your own details, okay. You see the plus sign here, Jill? You can add your own details. This is flexible. Is it possible to have a picture or a link to a demo website? You can create a store, okay, and use it as a demo. Yeah, you create a store, and that link you put on your website, and it is your demo store. Can you control the quantity of an item as well? Um, that's a good question. I don't think we have. Let's see, products. I need to check on that, Les. Okay, so how many products you have in stock? You know, stock management, huh? Okay. So I will look into that stock management. Make sense? Any other question? Did you add email and text notification? Yes, that is done. That is done. Email as you, I know is done. SEO, email templates, current setup, sales, refunds, returns, reviews, recurring orders, payments, size up. It's done. I know it's done. I have to find where it is. There must be something as notifications. The sales, review, recurring orders, payments, coupons, site settings. There is something like notifications. I will get back to you. Can you determine how many of an item of a customer wants to buy? Yes. Can you determine how many of an item a customer wants to buy? Determine. Not sure what you mean with determine wants. Okay, Doug, I'm not sure. Did you add it? No. Did the notification is implemented? I have to find it. I know it is implemented. I will put a picture in the Facebook group for that. I think notifications under settings, public settings, and then you said I think notifications under settings, public SMS notification. Where do you see this? Public. I don't see it. Contact info. Okay. And then email are from the customer. Form name, see, email see for each sale. Okay. That is where the email is. And then sale phone number and identification. So that is, so under settings, contact information, we have the sales notification. I think we will put it on a separate menu, like notifications. There's no separate Facebook for WP Gateway. What payment systems can client use? PayPal, Authorizer, Stripe. Okay. Anything else? Do you have or can you add Zapier? Yes, I will. Yes, I will add Zapier. How does notification settings, does the public see them? No, you can enter the email addresses and the phone number which get the notification. So the client wants to see an email and a text message when a sale is made, correct? Would be great if you had a direct integration in order to put people who order. Yes, understand, Doug. It's coming, okay? We discussed it yesterday too. Okay, this completes the first hour training. I hear something on the background. Maybe Brian is there?
Yep, can you hear me, Jack?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, guys, pretty good, pretty low level, very actionable, very usable. Jack, will you flip me back to Organizer? And you guys, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take a 10-minute bio break, except today we won't disconnect the call. We won't disconnect this GoToWebinar. We'll chop it up ourselves. We lost a few people getting back on. So, Jack, awesome. I know you probably need to take a breath, take a break. And for everybody else, you guys, it's 2:03. All right, it's 2:03. Yep. No, thanks, Christy. I'm gonna mute, and at 2:13 on my clock, which is in 10 minutes, we'll start on session 2.
Can you take the screen if needed?
Yep, I grab it. Hang on, I do. Let me grab it. Update data. I got it.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you, Jack.
Okay.
And guys, we will begin in just a minute. So a little neon fun for midday. We'll see you in about 9 minutes. Don't hang up. Stay connected if you can, and we'll be back in 9 minutes. And Jack's going to take a well-deserved break, and I'm going to mute for a few minutes, and I'll be right back. Awesome.